is Jordan 4 retros. We got the University Blue right here, 10.5. And then I just got this one from Finish Line, and it's sold already. 10.5 of the Jordan 4. And how much we sold this one? We sold it for 366 after the payout. Alright, so next one we got here the Jordan 6 retro. We have here the Bordeaux, black Bordeaux, and we got this sitting on Finish Line. And if you've seen one of my video, which is the called it sneaker hustle, that's how I found this one, size 13. And in a couple minutes, not even an hour, it's already sold out, because I just went for a little bit profit. I just don't need, I mean, I really want to have more profit, but the demand is not too much high, so I just had to do a quick flip. The retail and this one is 190. After the fees and everything, I'm making $18 profit, so not bad for just a couple of minutes, not even an hour. And I capped them on Finish Line, $18. That's not bad for a quick flip. And then next one, we sold one pair of shoes on StockX. This is the women's Jordan 1 mid, wolf gray, and then on this side we got the Nike Dunk High Retro. This one is the Kentucky colorway, last pair, and there's Nike Dunk High. So this is the Nike Dunk High Retro. Game Real, total oil range, retail is 110, or they call it the Nike Dunk Kentucky High. Boom, there we go. The lows on the colorway, on this same colorway, is pretty much higher sale value, resale value. It's just the highs don't have that much resale value, but the colorway is just pretty much the same. Lows and highs, that's it. We sold this one for 176, profit of about $50 to $60 profit. Not bad. Alright, so next one we got the women's Air Jordan 1 mid, aluminum wolf gray. We sold this one on StockX, and the retail on this one is 120, as you can see right there, 120. Okay, let's admire this Jordan 1 mid. Look alike of this one is Jordan 1 mid. The only difference is the swoosh down here. With it comes the Dior swoosh. It's not worth spending 8,500 if you can get a Jordan 1 mid that it's almost look alike, and then you could just print this one with black or print Dior or something. If you're really onto it, this is a good alternative for the Jordan 1 Dior. Leave a comment, what do you think? That's most of that what we sold. Goat, one pair on StockX, and this one sold on eBay.